stocks in focus, and Brigade and Sunteck are those two. They're on the back of their fourth quarter business update. Sonal is joining in with more. Sonal, most of the stocks that have come out with updates, record sales, record year, does that reflect in Brigade and Sunteck's numbers as well?
It does in Brigade for sure. Brigade reported their highest ever quarterly numbers and yearly numbers as well. So to take you through them, in terms of pre-sales, it's up 53% on a YoY basis. Volumes are up 18% on a YoY basis. Their annual collections are up 9% on a YoY basis. And the average realization on an annual basis has come in higher by 23%. The leasing portfolio as well has grown for them by 14% in FY24, which is achieving an occupancy of 97%. So that, of course, is an improvement that the company has seen. For the hospitality vertical, average occupancy stood at 72%, which is up 3% on a YoY basis. And the average room rental stood at 6,480 rupees per room, which is up 8% on a YoY basis. So there's a growth all across their businesses. Ambit says that they expect momentum to continue further, and they build in pre-sales of around 6,700 crores in FY25 and 7,800 crore rupees in FY26. The company says that they have a pipeline of new launches across their segments, 12.6 million square feet in residential, 6.3 million square feet in commercial, and 1.06 million square feet in hospitality as well. Moving on to Sunteck now. Now, Sunteck had been seeing some pressure in their pre-sales in last couple of quarters, but now this is a growth number that we are seeing. Pre-sales are up 26%, but collections, they have declined 32% on a YoY basis. But the company says they have added 7 large projects in the Mumbai region with a gross development value of 30,000 crore rupees, which will reflect once it executes in FY25 and FY26. And that's why a green tick on the stock today.
Thank you very much for that. We'll get into a break. We'll discuss commodities on the other side. Stay tuned.